Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to create a transparent video in Premiere Pro. First, ensure that the area around your subject or image remains black within the timeline. To prepare for export, navigate to the start of your clip and press I to set an endpoint, then move to the end and press O for the out point. This defines your export range. Next, head over to the Export tab. To achieve transparency, you must select QuickTime as your format. Under the video settings, change the codec to animation. Most importantly, locate the depth option and switch it to 8 bpc plus alpha. This step is essential for including the alpha channel. Now, you can proceed to export your file. To verify the results, simply bring the exported clip back into Premiere and place it over another video layer. You will see that the background is now perfectly transparent. If this tutorial was useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.